Today customize a semi-aquatic tank for musk turtle. Tank size 50 by 40 by 23, as per request, 3 sides black for a native tank. Wiped clean before pasting paper. Spray some water on the surface before pasting. Use a scraper to squeeze out the water. Cut off the excess paper with a razor blade. Now we are ready to do landscaping. Fix grid plate with glass glue in advance. It is to buffer the collision. Avoid fish tank explosion. Spray a layer of foam glue. Put the prepared landscaping stones. Add stones to elevate. It needs to be transported long distances. Only stones will be too heavy and risky. Now we reduce weight and good for bacterial in this way. Excess foam needs to be extruded and shaped after structured. The foam will be hard and tough enough. If you make it at home, you can just use piles of stones. I used glue to make it easier to transport. At this point, many people will discuss the toxicity of styrofoam. What we used is completely non-toxic and harmless after curing. Now decorate the place with soil and stream stones. Use skeleton glue to reinforce and harden. Just throw the stream rocks randomly to make it natural. Plant some calamus and glue them together with moss glue. Finally, the entire tank is tested with water added. Due to design, it has to use an external filter outside the tank.